Nicolas Curien, you are both an academic, a recognized academic about the digital economy, and also a practitioner, since you have been a commissioner for the French Authority of Regulation of Telecommunication. You are involved in this executive seminar on the regulation and governance of the information society, and what is, according to you, the main law, the main economic laws that shape the governance of this information society?
Thank you very much, Eric, for this presentation. And you forgot to say that we are also all friends and work together. So
yeah, even publish books
and publish books together. Yeah. So all what I know, you know, and reciprocally. To my sense, the main law of digital economics is that we enter a world of fixed cost and zero marginal cost, which destabilize many mechanisms in the classical economy. I think, for instance, of hacking intellectual property, which is unlawful. But a hacker is maybe not a good citizen, but he is a good economist because he wants to pay nothing for something that costs nothing at the margin. But of course, zero marginal cost and zero marginal price doesn't mean absolutely free of charge. That means that more and more digital goods will be priced in a fixed way. They cost in a fixed way and they will be priced in a fixed way. You pay a subscription to your internet access. You already pay a subscription to access to a movie. The distributors of films practice this kind of billing, and this will be more and more the case, that the costs are fixed and the utilities too are fixed, because people don't want anymore to pay on a one unit by one unit basis, but more and more they want to access globally a bank of content. And they will pay for that a fixed access, an option of usage rather than a volume of usage. And this, to my sense, summarizes many of the economic issues that are currently debated about digital economics.
Thank you. And what do you think of this? You observed this morning this interaction in the framework of this workshop, where you have participants both from the academia and from the practitioners. What do you think of this mixed audience and the interaction you could observe this morning?
I think it's a wonderful idea of the global governance program to have this mix of people from different countries and students from different origins. As a professor, I always enjoy the European and the cosmopolitan audience. And even if there was not so much interaction, as you spoke all the time, but you know that sociologists define interaction not as a fact that people speak turn and turn, but that people may speak if they want to speak. And the feeling this morning is that it was interactive in that way, that you could look in the eye of people, that they were attentive to what you said, and that if they wanted to contradict you, they could, but as what you said was correct, they didn't so much.